My name's Nathan Reed. I'm the plant manager for Leadec, Coventry Wheel and Tyre Assembly plant. Leadec are a worldwide technical company that provide technical maintenance and some assembly for a lot of the OEM customers, food customers, technical manufacturing customers all around the world. Before we had the WMS, we produced wheels and tyres for a couple of smaller customers. Obviously our inventory exploded massively along with the complexity. Leadec at the time had a very simple Excel-based WMS system which didn't work very well with that amount of complexity. So we got Infinity involved to go through what we thought would be the best system for our type of business. There are some very unique parts we wanted in here that I haven't seen in other systems that Infinity were able to do for us. Mercia handles all of our incoming EDIs, EDMs from our customer. It then translates all those for us and spits them out in a format that everyday Joe is able to understand. And from this, we have a complete bespoke planning screen. So at any one time, we can move our stock holding up or down along with that. And those can translate straight to the production lines. We needed a dynamic put-away system. So the only way to do that was to give them facilities to be able to do that. And in the Infinity system, I can pick a particular area of the warehouse and say that's for a high running part, a low running part, a medium running part. The system automatically will go and find and put them there as they're delivered. So that we're going less trips backwards and forwards to the line during the build process. We have a notification system of any shortages, any issues we have. So from anywhere in the world, basically on your mobile phone, you can see any buffers to any of our customers. I can see if there are any shortages on the lines, and I can see how well every production line's doing. Also, they've helped us with our quality side of it as well. The traceability data we have now and what we can see with the systems we put in for the sequencing has saved us no end of costs from our customers. So the sequencing system, we receive the sequence message from our customers. That comes in, the system will automatically translate it, the guys will pick them. It's then checked again at the end of the line. During this process, at the very last step, a photograph is taken. That goes into a stillage, that goes away to the customer. If they come back, have an issue, we can find that TLS, we can find that number, we can find the time it was built and sequenced down the line. We can find everything all the way back to the day the tyre was delivered from that system. For us, from a traceability point of view, saves us a hell of a lot of problems. Definitely recommend Infinity with the software side and Maxim with the hardware side. They've done a fantastic job for me, and you know, from the hardware side, yeah, whenever we've had issues, they've worked with us. Obviously, we started with different equipment. We thought we knew what we needed. We didn't listen to them. They told us what we needed, and it works really well now. The scanners, I mean, they're fantastic scanners. They're long-range scanners as well. The labels for the warehouse are actually about 5-6 metres up in the air, where the forklift truck drivers can scan. And these work absolutely fantastic. So it works all the way through from the goods in right down to sequencing. So any driver can do any role. We can move a driver if we get busy from one area to another very, very quickly. Other systems don't allow us to do that so easily. We have a 24/7 support contract with Infinity because we're a 24-hour-a-day operation. The support with Infinity has been great. I think there aren't many of the Infinity team I haven't spoken to at one point at 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning when issues have occurred. The support has been there from day one. I think the guys in Infinity will tell you what started off as something, you know, quite small has ended up very, very big. And I don't think there's any one of our customers that hasn't been really happy with it. This is probably one of the best way forwards I've ever seen.